Hey guys, I'm Nick Pino and welcome back to TechRadar's 2021 CES coverage. Earlier today, Samsung announced loads of great new products that are coming later this year, and if you didn't have the chance to check it out, here are 5 of our favorite moments of the show. Number 1, the wall now comes in more reasonable sizes. Samsung made a splash a few years ago when it announced a 240-inch micro LED TV that it said was composed of individual modules that could, in the future, be used to build a smaller screen. Well, fast forward to 2021, and now it's finally here. Earlier today, Samsung announced a new 110-inch, a 99-inch, and even 88-inch version of the wall. Samsung didn't disclose how much this monstrous micro LED TV would cost, but considering that the 146-inch version that came out a few years ago cost over $100,000, we're not expecting this one to be cheap. Samsung Neo QLED TVs. While these were technically announced last week, Samsung's Neo QLED TVs got a quick shout out at today's press conference, and they're worth talking about. Samsung is really considering these the second generation of QLED technology that use small LEDs with a micro layer of protection to guide the light and a new quantum processor. The result is that the new QLED TVs will be brighter than before, but will have less blooming. They'll be just as colorful with 100% coverage of the DCI P3 color space, and will have even wider viewing angles than previous TVs. They'll come in both 4K and 8K variations, and they'll be available later this year. Number 3, the Samsung Connected Kitchen. Samsung has long touted its connected kitchen, but at CES 2021, it's starting to feel more real than ever, which is kind of weird considering that this year's show is all digital. What makes it closer to reality is a number of new connected devices like the Samsung Hub, Smart Fridge, and Smart Oven that seamlessly connect through SmartThings. In the example we were shown today, you can start a recipe on your fridge and then send it over to your oven for perfect baking time, all without the need to pause and unpause a YouTube video while cooking. Number 4, a LiDAR-equipped robot vacuum cleaner. Roomba might have been one of the first big names in the robot vacuum space, but Samsung's making up for lost time with some neat tricks of its own, like a new LiDAR-equipped robot vacuum cleaner that can detect the density of materials. Being able to determine which items are made of which materials helps the robot vacuum determine how close it can safely approach, say, a priceless vase before making you scamper over to stop it. And yes, before you ask, being smarter is going to stop it from running into your furniture all the time. Number 5, Samsung's big push for sustainability. When companies talk about sustainability, it usually feels like a marketing spiel. But something about today's Samsung CES presentation made it feel more genuine than usual. Some of the big changes the company is making is that it will help upcycle your old devices, like your old Samsung Galaxy phones, by helping you turn them into security cameras or baby monitors, and will radically reduce the amount of ink it uses on TV boxes. Speaking of TVs, all the new 2021 QLED TVs will use solar-powered remotes, which Samsung says will keep tens of millions of batteries out of garbage dumps over the lifetime of the TVs. And that's it. That's Samsung's whole press conference summarized in under 5 minutes. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe to TechRadar on YouTube so that you don't miss any of our other CES 2021 coverage. Thanks so much, guys. I'm Nick Pino. I'll see you later.